We're all attracted to beautiful faces. When it comes to physical attractiveness, studies suggest that skin tone can make all the difference. Therefore, most women with uneven skin tone desperately want to get rid of the problem. Did you know that there are many factors in our daily lives that lead to pigmentation? For instance, hormonal changes, stimulation by UV light, illness, job stress, and so forth. Dealing with freckles, melasma, or age spots could be a real struggle. Besides being difficult to treat, they also age your appearance and can erode your confidence. Beauty is both internal and external, and it starts from within. Our skin is comprised of three main layers: epidermis, dermis, and subcutaneous layer. Epidermis is the outermost layer of the skin, which acts as a barrier that protects the body. What gives skin its color has largely to do with keratinocyte and melanocyte cell types. Keratinocytes are the most abundant cells in the epidermis that serve as a barrier between our body and the environment. The melanocytes found in the basal layer of the epidermis are responsible for the production of melanin, the skin's pigment that screens out harmful UV radiation from the skin. Melanocytes are branched or dendritic, and their dendrites are used to transfer the pigment granules to adjacent keratinocytes. There are two distinct types of melanin: yellowish-red to dark brown eumelanin and reddish-brown pheomelanin. Tyrosinase is the key enzyme which regulates the first steps of eumelanin and pheomelanin synthesis. It transforms colorless tyrosine into dehydroxyphenylalanine, DOPAs, and then into dopaquinones and eventually into pheomelanin or eumelanin through different pathways. These pigments are produced and deposited in the specific organelle in the melanocyte called melanosome. Upon maturation, melanosomes are transported by the dendrites of the melanocytes to the neighboring keratinocytes. With the help of its dendritic projections, each melanocyte provides melanin to approximately 36 keratinocytes. Inside the keratinocytes, melanosomes form a protective cap over the keratinocyte nucleus. The melanin absorbs the UV light to protect nuclear DNA against the harmful effects. Sunlight exposure makes melanocytes to increase the production of melanin, and thereby resulting in tanning. At times, the occurring of pigmentation is unavoidable due to various factors. But no worries, the undesirable skin tone trouble could now be warded off effortlessly with the breakthrough innovation from the SkinOrigin. Let us introduce to you the Chromo Peptides Complex. Chromo Peptides Complex, CPC, is a revolutionary skin lightening complex that brightens your skin by inhibiting the melanin formation. Under normal circumstances, UV irradiation stimulates the secretion of alpha-melanocyte-stimulating hormone, which binds to the melanocortin-1 receptor to induce the expression of tyrosinase. Tyrosinase is the key enzyme that transforms tyrosine into DOPAs, followed by the conversion into dopaquinones and finally melanin. Upon application of CPC, the peptides complex will bind alpha-MSH to inhibit its activity and affect the following signal pathway. Subsequently, this will lead to the downregulation of tyrosinase and ultimately inhibit the biosynthesis pathway primarily responsible for the pigmentation. As a result, the amount of melanin produced is significantly reduced. The clinical study has proven that CPC recorded a drastic improvement in melasma condition, with 2.2 scores in 30 days, and followed by an impressive improvement of 3.4 scores in 60 days. Significant results were also observed on the skin complexion. It was seen to turn brighter consistently every week. CPC effectively helps to get rid of pigmentation. It gradually lightens the dark pigment and eventually reveals the brighter and glowing skin. Now you can regain your confidence with the radiance from SkinOrigin.